Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the KELEXO token and their pre-sale, and we're going to be talking about the security risks on this token. We're going to be looking at their audit, see if there's warnings on there, what do the warnings say, and we're going to talk about, is this pre-sale safe? Because some people have been saying this token's good. Some people have been saying it seems like a scam. A lot of people have concerns about these ICOs because it's very hard to check a contract, check certain things in certain pre-sales, especially if the some of the pre-sales, they don't even have the contract address visible. They don't have a team docs. They don't have certain things. This one does have an audit though. Ticker symbol is KLXO. I did a full info video on this token, so if you want to see what the project is all about, what they're saying, like the info is on this token, check out my previous video on KELEXO. But this one we're going to be talking specifically about their audit and the security, if there's any red flags or potential scam risks. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, with tokens that are already out, you could take the contract address and you could put it into things like DEX tools, and you can see quick audits pop up and things like that. It's very helpful. They're very helpful tools out there for verifying contract addresses and security and stuff like that. This one is still in pre-sale, so if you put it into a lot of these coin listing sites with charts and information and things like that, nothing will pop up. But this token does have a full audit on their page. It is done by CoinSalt, and we're going to go over that in a second here. I'm going to put up some of the info on the screen here so you guys can easily see it here. Now, it does say on their webpage, KLXO.com, it says, security, a major advantage of blockchain technology is its robust security. Every transaction is logged on a decentralized ledger protected by cryptography, rendering it highly resistant to hacking and tampering. And then it has a link to their audit. It also has a white paper on their webpage that will take you over to KLXO's-organization.gitbook.io/white paper, and you will see audits. It's an audit section there. You click on that. That also has the CoinSalt audit on there. So there's two different ways to find the audit on their webpage and on their white paper. And like I said, if you want to learn about what the project claims to be about, that's what my last video was, and I'll try to remember to link it at the end of this one. I'm also going to take this video and link it at the end of the other KELEXO video so people can see what I'm talking about here. Now, this is one of those ICOs, one of those pre-sales that all these news articles talk about them. Like there's a news article here from Coinpedia, I see right here. I see another one here by CoinGape, Outlook. No, that's a different one. But anyways, it's all over the place here. It's on CoinCodex. Binance even has an article about this. Coin Edition. I mean, there's so many articles about this. The Coin Republic, you name it, they're all posting about this KELEXO pre-sale, and it's been around a while. So I've had a decent amount of views on the other video that I posted about this pre-sale, and I never tell anybody to buy anything. That is not what this channel is about. There's no promotion on here. Just basically talk about information, about what things say. So let's talk about what the audit says here. So first of all, they have an audit by CoinSalt. And so CoinSalt also offers KYCs, which means their team gets doxxed. And they don't have one of those. So I wish, obviously, that they had one of those where they dox themselves, because that's important. Because it gives them a little more credence if they're like, here's who we are, have a look at us. You know what I mean? In case we try to rip people off, you know who we are, right? So they don't have that. This token's on the Ethereum blockchain. They're audited, but their audit is not perfect. So just because they have an audit, that doesn't mean they're 100% safe. You have to look at the audit, and you have to verify that the audit is secure. And I can tell you right off the bat, it's not fully secure. So just be aware of that. There's a possible scam risk with this token. So the good things on their audit, it says no mint function found. And then it says owner cannot blacklist, no blacklisting found. No honeypot option. Owner cannot set fees, no high sell fees. And trading enabled, it says. So those are all good check marks. But if you scroll down, it says 2 total issues. So there's 2 total issues. There's no high risk, no medium risk, and no informational risks. These are 2 low risks. Now, just because they're low risks, also that doesn't mean that this token can't be a full-fledged scam and scam people. Low risks are still risks and can lead to big scams, right? So I'm not saying it is going to lead to a scam. I'm just saying the risk is there. Now, it's kind of similar. I believe maybe Kangamoon, I think, was one of them. And maybe it was BlockDAG too as well. But I think BlockDAG and Kangamoon also had 2 low risks. Don't quote me on that, but I did do videos recently on Kangamoon and BlockDAG, and those are 2 big pre-sales right now going on as well that are advertised all over the place. And I believe those 2 also had 2 low risks. So it's kind of strange though that a lot of these pre-sales have similar risks and they're both like low, and there's a couple of them. And I don't know if that means it's the same team or people are doing the same thing. I don't know. It's hard to say really anything until the actual scam or not scam happens. It's hard to really say anything, right? So if you scroll down on their audit, there's different things you can click on. So you can click on, it says manual audit results, and then it says full audit report. And you can click on that, and that's going to take you to the full report. I'm going to post the results up here anyways. And so they have the KELEXO full audit report. It takes you to a github.com /CoinSalt/Solidity article or PDF. And you scroll down and it says 2 low risk warnings. And if they're fixed, so what happens is CoinSalt will tell the dev, hey, these are risks. And they have to, or they're supposed to anyways, acknowledge and then resolve them, fix them in order for the contract to be secure. So it says pending. So they haven't even acknowledged them yet, and they haven't resolved them yet. So keep that in mind, that they're not even acknowledged and they're not even resolved. So if you scroll down, it says check vulnerabilities, all these different things. They have the audit scope. You just click on more pages. It'll open more pages for you to look at. You got to keep scrolling down, basically. Scroll. Okay, so then finally we get to SWC attack analysis. So it says the smart contract weakness classification registry is an implementation of the weakness classification scheme. It is loosely aligned with terminologies, yada, yada, yada. So anyways, it passed almost everything on the list, except it failed something called the floating pragma. So then you scroll down and it'll tell you what that means in the thing. So it says low risk, and it says could be fixed, and it says will not bring problems. So that's what it says. I don't know if it's going to bring problems or not. I mean, it's, and then it says floating pragma contracts should be deployed with the same compiler version and flags that they have been tested with thoroughly. Locking the pragma helps to ensure the contracts do not accidentally get deployed using, for an example, an outdated compiler version that might introduce bugs that affect the contract system negatively. So then they have a link here. It says lock the pragma version and also consider known bugs. And yeah, so they give the big warning and example. And then they have an error code. And then it says initial supply. When the contract is deployed, the contract deployer receives all the initially created assets. Since the deployer and/or contract can distribute tokens without consulting the community, this could be a problem. So they go through all sorts of things like that on their page. So there's 2 warnings, 2 risks. They say they failed the floating pragma here. So just keep that in mind. I can't say for sure that the token is going to be a scam or not a scam. I mean, it's very hard to say that with anything until it happens. But for all the people that were saying this is a scam or is not or whatever, it possibly could be. So just be aware of that. There is risks in the audit there. When you do a deep dive on the audit, they haven't been resolved. They are still pending, haven't even been acknowledged yet. So be aware of that, and do your due diligence. Take it with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about KELEXO. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.